Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to turn off the shutter sound in the camera app on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let's check if we've got the shutter sound turned on or off. Let me tap on the shutter button. And it is very silent, I would say. You cannot probably hear it, but you have to trust me that I've got the shutter sound turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on the settings in the left upper corner. And here we have to find the shutter sound. It should be in the general section. So as I said, it is turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher right here. Obviously you can turn it on wherever you want just by tapping on it again. So this is how it works. And after getting back, let me check if it worked. And after tapping on the shutter button, actually I cannot hear any feedback from this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage how to turn on or off the camera shutter sound in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.